Hello viewers, in this video I will show that how VLookup function works in Google spreadsheet. Before I start, I'd like to share that VLookup is a vertical function, so you can pull any data vertically from one sheet to another sheet. There has one limitation in Google spreadsheet. When you work in any spreadsheet, so that time you can pull data from one sheet to another sheet, but in desktop and like in Excel you can pull data from one file to another file. So I'm showing in Google spreadsheet that how VLookup function works. You can see that already I opened a sheet with given data. So sheet 1, it includes employee ID, full name, SSN, department, start date, and per employee wise earning and remarks. In remarks I have mentioned that the employee wise bank and get salary. The person who has bank account, they will get salary on bank, and the person who has not bank account, that time they will get salary as cash. So as you know that VLookup means vertical function, so it will pull data vertically. Here I have those employee ID, so against ID I will put data here. Against ID, at first I will put their name, so equal VLO. You will see that VLookup will show automatically, then select. So here is the example and about VLookup function. So let's clear our concept through this example. Vertical lookup searches down the first column of a range for a key and return the value of a specified cell in a row found. So this is the search key. At first we will select our search key, then range, then index is sorted. So this is our search key. Here I put comma. Now I will select the range. So our range is start from here and end below, end here. So now put comma and put 2. This 2 means where it's ending. Column number 2. 2 means column number. Then put comma, then 0. Here 0 means exact match. If our search key exactly match in range, then the data will come. Enter. You see that I got the employee ID's name. So I just drop and drag and got this person's name. Just assume for specific reporting purposes we need 3 information: employee ID, full name, and earnings and remarks. We don't need these options, so we will pull data about this specific column. In the same way, we will pull data about the earnings. VLOO, select VLookup. Our search key is name id, then put comma, go to sheet 1, range start from here, so here int, now comma, the column number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma 0 means exact match. We'll got the earning. So now we will pull data of remarks column, search key. I'm undoing. VLookup. Here automatically formula taken, but that is not correct. So we will show search key as employee ID, then our range as we know it, the 7 column, comma 7 comma 0, or enter. So you see that how quickly we got our desired information. In this way, when you work in a big file with big volume of data, then you can easily manage and organize your daily task in a flexible manner. So I hope you understand, and if you have any query regarding VLookup with exact match on Google spreadsheet, if you are facing any trouble, please mention us on comment box. We will try to reply, and please subscribe and click on the bell icon.